Hello friend, in this video we are going to discuss about the greedy method and point from the greedy method, that is knapsack problem. In that knapsack problem, in this problem we are given an object. Each object has weight Wi and capacity of bag is M. There are three methods: greedy by weight, second greedy by profit, third greedy by density. First method, greedy by weight, are going to discuss in this session. Let's see its example. Find solution of knapsack problem by greedy by weight. Given n is equal to 7, m is equal to 23. M is nothing but the capacity. Profit P1 to P7 and their corresponding values. Given weight W1 to W7 and corresponding its values. So greedy by weight, in that method we can arrange the object in increasing order of their weight. So draw the table, and first we can arrange the weight in increasing order. So weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We can arrange the weight in increasing order. According their profits, we can note down here. So weight of 1 profit is 2, weight of 2 profit is 7, weight of 3 profit is 7, weight of 4 profit is 5, and similarly weight of 5 is profit is 15, weight of 5 profit is 11, weight of 6 profit is 19. Here similar values 5 first priority is first come. So here first weight profit is 15. Note down here. I is nothing but the serial number. So given object is 7. So serial number is 1 to up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then fourth column we can calculate available weight. The formula of available weight is M minus Wi. The value of M is 23. And here we can note down here the increasing order weight. So first available weight is M. So 23 minus 1 is 22. Then second corresponding xi. So here 22 is positive weight. So xi value is note down here 1. Then available weight is 22. Then 22 minus here Wi is 2. Then 2. Similarly calculate here 20 minus available weight is 20. Wi is 3. So 20 minus 3 is 17. Here note down 1. Then available weight is 17. 17 minus Wi is a 4. So 17 minus 4 is 13. So xi is a 1. Available weight is 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. So xi is 1. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Xi is 1. Then available weight is 3 and Wi is a 6. So 3 minus 6 is minus 3. Weight is never negative. So in that case we are divide available weight. In that case we can note down here available weight is 0 and xi is calculated. The available weight is 3 divided by Wi 6. So here 0.5. Then last column we can calculate total profit. Total profit is xi into pi. Only profit. So profit is xi into pi. Here we can calculate xi and here PI. So calculation of XI into PI, we can give the profit. So 2 into 1 2, 7 into 1 7, 7 into 1 7, 5 into 1 5, 15 into 1 15, 11 into 1 11, 19 into 0.5 9.5. And last we can calculate total profit. Here total profit formula is summation I is equal to 1 to n PI into XI. We can calculate PI into XI. Then summation I is equal to 7 because we given and 7 objects. So PI into XI, here we can summation of that column. So uh, 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 15 plus 11 plus 9.5. Here 56.5 total profit. Thank you.